Hi, it's Mrs. Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited today because I got some seeds in the mail. And what's really exciting about this, I ordered ice cream bean tree or Maui seeds, and they came from Hawaii. But in my package, I got all these awesome seeds. Along with my ice cream bean seeds, I got a Hawaiian chili pepper, hibiscus sabdarfila. It looks like roselle seeds. Um, Suriname cherry seeds. And then here's my ice cream bean seed. Also, maybe the person who sells these seeds does a handmade soap business. So I got these free samples. Look at that. That is pretty. This is called Maui Sea Glass. This one is Gardenia Coconut. And this is Maui Liloquai. I'm probably pronouncing them incorrectly, but hopefully not too badly. But these came from MauiSeeds.com. And I'm just going to give them a shout out because this was excellent packaging and freebies. So let's take a look at what the ice cream bean seeds look like. Supposedly, the pods have a white, cotton, fleshy substance that tastes like ice cream. And don't I look like someone who likes ice cream? I had to have this plant. Oh, oh my. They're actually sprouting already. Look at that. Oh, those are beautiful. Those are awesome. I'm excited to plant those. So I have some soil back here. I'm going to plant these in all natural potting mix. It's organic plus. And I looked at the ingredients. It looks all good. It checks out. And it actually smells straight from, um, it smells like manure, which I think means it's good. So I'm just going to plant some of these ice cream bean seeds. Right there. Lightly cover those. Okay, something else I'm excited about is sugar cane. Oh, that smells so divine. And you notice that I don't garden with gloves. Something about touching the earth and the soil just makes me feel like I'm connected. Or maybe I'm just a country girl at heart, which isn't all that bad at all. So in my shipment, I got 3 of these little pieces, and basically you plant them horizontally. And I have some more rich soil here. I put those in there. In there. Over there. All right. And let's water those in. Okay. Finally, something I want to experiment with. I'm not going to be too worried if this doesn't work. Pumpkin seeds in a container and then let the trellises spread it on the grass. The reason I'm going to start it in a container is because I don't have anywhere to plant it in the soil that gets the perfect amount of sun all day. So this area that I have lined up here gets the most amount of sun. I'm going to put it in a container, let it sprout for a while, and then before it gets too permanently fixed to the grass here, I'll find a better spot for it. So this is pumpkin small sugar, and it was just $2.09, and it looks to be about 20 seeds. So I'm just gonna plant 2, one for good luck. Cover that up, water it in. Okay. Okay, so a while back I mentioned that one of my gardening fails was ordering strawberries in the wrong time of year. I thought it was the correct time because I put in my planting zone, which is zone 10A, and this was the correct type of strawberry for this zone. And they said they ship until a certain time of year, which is the end of March. So I got these thinking that it would be perfect. So rather than let them go to waste, I got these cute little clover-shaped stackable potting plants. And this works perfectly if you don't have a lot of space to garden, because you can plant 4 in each, and I have 5 layers in the tower, so that's at least 20 plants. And I believe I have 10 strawberries, which gives me room to plant some other things in here. So I'm choosing a nice sunny spot for my tower, and I filled it with nice organic potting soil. Let's see how these go together. It crisscrosses nicely. That's really cute. Okay. I'm just gonna fill up the next layer real quick. It's really important that you choose a potting soil because it retains moisture perfectly, but not too much that the roots get waterlogged. So these are my last 2 layers. Okay. Alright, so it's in a nice stable brick there. And let's put some strawberries in. I think what I'll do is I'll go through and put these in real quickly, and then I'll come back and show you the end result. Okay, so as you can see, I planted all the strawberries, and I'm just going to water those in real quick. Rather than let them waste and die, I'm just going to plant it. Maybe they'll grow, maybe they won't. Sometimes gardening is an experiment. The other thing I want to put in here are some beets. This is a Ruby Queen variety, and it was only $1.35. So I think I'll put some of those in these extra spots. It's really important to, 1, know your planting zone, and 2, know what time of year certain crops grow. Most states or sometimes universities have websites that give you planting guides for your zone. So definitely check those out when you're ready to plant. It varies from month to month, so check that out and don't have a gardening fail like me. I love beets. I've never been successful with growing them, so I'm going to try them here. Just put a few of them in. And then finally, I would like to plant a purple basil. I've never tried purple basil before, and I think I would like to stick that in here. The thing with herbs is they usually don't grow bigger than the pot you put them in. And I don't really use a lot of basil, so this size pot would be just perfect. If you use a lot of basil, feel free to put it in a bigger pot and you'll get a lot more to eat. It's a really small pot, but I'm just gonna squeeze it in there. All right, get the soil around it. Okay, and let's water those a little bit. So this is in a nice sunny spot. It gets about 7 hours of sun at this point. And just before we go, let me give you a view of what's going on in the garden. I told you that the rabbits have been eating my radish tops. So I got this fence. I know it's not really professional looking, but I did it just in a hurry to get some security around the plants. And I'm going to make it a little more sturdy. But as you can see, the kale is looking really nice. I have a few more things that I'd like to plant there. I may have to pick some more of that lettuce real soon. Over here, I've got some more eggplants that I need to pick. So I'll get in there and pick some eggplants. Let's see if I can get in there right now. This is my little makeshift door to get in to the garden. And I just have to be careful where I'm walking, because I know where things are planted. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Now I think I can leave that one more day. This one looks good. Let's get that one. Okay. There are 2 more in there, but we'll leave that. And the strawberries that I have, they're coming up. Even though they're planted in the wrong time of year, they may or may not have enough time to give me fruit, but they'll come back again next year. So I'm not too worried about that. Okay, well, thank you for watching another episode of Mrs. Jones' Edible Garden Journey. So finally, I'd like to leave you with this scripture. It's taken from Galatians chapter 6 and verse 9. It says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up." And I'm going to reap a harvest real soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.